going to share details about an exchange, Woox Pro, where you can easily come to experience with zero slippage, full transparency, and its campaign that is going on the deposit 50% bonus. Yes, here is time countdown. So let's explore together. If let's come to first of all their campaign, where deposit US dollar, it means you are going to get up to 50% bonus. So yes, here 9 days later it will be, and before that you can join. I will provide a link in my video description where you can deposit and get up to 50% deposit future trading bonus. And for that you can also go ahead. There is welcome bonus, get $10 for future trading bonus when you will transfer $10 to your future account. It means that you have to deposit minimum $10 and then you have to transfer to your future account. And next is about $100 deposit and then you have to convert into future account to get $40 successfully. And next is about deposit $300 and you will also transfer into future account to grab $100. And there you can also check number of amount is going to increase. It means your reward will also increase. Don't hesitate on it. Next, you can also check about deposit and then you will get reward. And for that you can also come here. Your trading volume will decide how much your reward will be. And here you can also start with future bonus. And in this campaign on the exchange Woox Pro, you can easily find the further information about this ecosystem. Like this is fully transparent ecosystem where you are coming to join, and then you will also check about a complete information how deposit trade. It's mean that here full transparency and everyone can work easily to deposit trade and earn. There you can also get slippage on the take profit or slow stop loss. There you can also analyze the crypto market within 24 hours how much trading volume, and you can also check about the changes in the prices of the token have been listed already on Woox Pro exchange. You can analyze here. You can start your spot trading as well as there is also future trading volume. So you can also make your best experience on it. And further you can also start trade anywhere, anytime, because it is also available on the Google Play Store and it's already serving the people from 2018. And here is 100 plus asset in crypto already here. So let's come together and enjoy new epic journey with Woox Pro. And its app is also available. You can download it in iOS and Android both of. And if you want to start your new epic journey with the future trading, you can easily come on this. Friends, when you will come to the interface in the spot or future trading, here is also a complete interface where you can easily create account on Woox Pro. Enjoy your new epic journey with the Woox Pro trading and its campaign that I have shown you. So what are you waiting for? Join it now and you can also become a member on it, because here many steps to go ahead with the commission target too. Here is also many other options in the spot or future trading. This is also one of the good exchange where your intelligence, your portfolio and computing 2.0 is also available. So let's get started with that and invite your friends to make a team on it and refer to your friends so that you can also get some VIP benefit here on the Woox Pro. So I hope you share and you have understand everything. If you still have any question or query related to this project, you can ask in our comment box. See you next video, till then, take care and goodbye.